Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Career Crossroads. I'm your host, and today we're tackling something every working person faces. Picture this, it's Sunday night. You're lying in bed thinking about Monday morning. Your stomach feels tight thinking about work. Maybe you're bored. Maybe you're underpaid. Maybe your boss drives you crazy. Sound familiar? You're not alone in this struggle. Today we're diving deep into one of life's biggest career questions. Should you change jobs or stay where you are? We'll explore the signs that say go and the reasons that whisper stay. By the end, you'll have clarity. So grab your coffee, settle in, and let's figure out your next career move together. This decision doesn't have to haunt you. Career decisions keep millions of people awake at night. The grass always looks greener on the other side, doesn't it? We dream about better jobs while sitting at our current desks. We scroll through job postings during lunch breaks, feeling excited. But then doubt creeps in. What if we're making a huge mistake? What if we regret leaving our current position? This internal battle between comfort and growth defines our working lives. It's perfectly normal to feel confused about your career path. The truth is, there's no perfect job out there waiting for you. Every workplace has problems, politics, and difficult people to navigate. But that doesn't mean you should settle for misery either. Finding the right balance requires honest self-reflection and careful planning. Your body often knows before your mind does. Pay attention to physical symptoms like headaches, stomach problems, or trouble sleeping. When Sunday night fills you with dread, that's your inner wisdom speaking. Your mental health matters more than any paycheck ever could. If you've stopped learning and growing, you're essentially moving backwards. Stagnation kills motivation and damages your long-term career prospects. Toxic bosses or coworkers can poison your entire work experience. Life's too short to spend 40 hours weekly with people who disrespect you. When your values clash with company culture, every day becomes a struggle. You can't fake authenticity for very long without burning out. Poor work-life balance destroys relationships and personal well-being. Money can't buy back time lost with family and friends who matter most. If you're consistently underpaid for your contributions, it's time to explore other options. Know your worth and demand fair compensation elsewhere. Stability has real value, especially during uncertain economic times. A steady paycheck provides security for you and your family's future. Building expertise in one company or industry creates valuable deep knowledge. This specialization often leads to promotions and increased responsibility over time. Strong workplace relationships take years to develop and shouldn't be abandoned lightly. Your colleagues might become lifelong friends and professional connections. Every job has learning opportunities if you look hard enough. Consider whether you've truly maximized your current role's potential for growth and development. Grass is greener syndrome tricks us into thinking other jobs are automatically better. Often we're just trading one set of problems for another. Job hopping too frequently can damage your professional reputation. Employers prefer candidates who demonstrate loyalty and commitment to previous positions and companies. Sometimes the solution isn't leaving but having honest conversations with management. Many workplace issues can be resolved through open communication and negotiation. Start by listing what you love and hate about your current job. This simple exercise reveals whether problems outweigh benefits significantly. Consider your financial situation carefully before making any moves. Do you have enough savings to survive potential unemployment or reduced income periods? Research your industry's job market thoroughly before deciding to leave. Understanding demand for your skills helps you negotiate from a position of strength. Talk to trusted friends, family members, or mentors about your situation. Outside perspectives often reveal blind spots in our own thinking patterns. Set clear goals for what you want in your next role. Without specific targets, you might jump from one unsatisfying job to another disappointing position. Give yourself a timeline for improvement in your current role. If things don't change within 6 months, start planning your exit strategy seriously. Never quit impulsively, no matter how frustrated or angry you feel. Emotional decisions often lead to regret and unnecessary financial hardship for yourself. Build your network while you're still employed and have less desperation. People are more willing to help when you're not desperately job hunting. Update your resume and LinkedIn profile before you need them urgently. Being prepared allows you to move quickly when the right opportunity appears. Save money for potential gaps between jobs or salary reductions. Financial stress makes job searching much harder and limits your negotiating power significantly. Be professional during your notice period, even if you're leaving due to negative circumstances. Your reputation follows you throughout your entire career journey. If you decide to stay, commit fully to making positive changes. Half-hearted efforts rarely lead to meaningful improvements in job satisfaction or advancement. Have honest conversations with your supervisor about your concerns and goals. Many managers want to help good employees succeed and grow. Seek new challenges within your current company through different projects or departments. Internal moves often provide fresh perspectives without job hunting stress. Invest in professional development through courses, conferences, or additional training. Growing your skills makes you more valuable and engaged in work. Build stronger relationships with colleagues across different departments and levels. Networking internally can lead to unexpected opportunities and career advancement paths. Remember, this decision isn't permanent and you're not stuck forever. Careers are long journeys with many stops and direction changes along the way. Trust your instincts, but balance them with practical considerations like finances and timing. The best career moves combine both heart and head equally. Whether you stay or go, commit to continuous learning and growth. The job market rewards people who adapt and evolve with changing industry demands. Don't let fear of making the wrong choice paralyze you completely. Sometimes the biggest risk is staying in a situation that slowly destroys your spirit. Your career should align with your values, goals, and life priorities. Regular self-assessment helps ensure you're on the right path for long-term happiness and success. Thanks for joining me today on Career Crossroads. Whatever you decide, I'm rooting for your success and happiness in your professional journey ahead.